Are you thinking about making an improvement to your home? Imagine this. You pour your heart and soul into all these improvements just to find out that it doesn't really increase your home value. Well, you're gonna wanna watch this video. It's gonna go over the top 5 improvements that don't add any value to your home. I'm Teia Golden. I sell real estate here in Valley County. This channel is all about McCall, Idaho. Hopefully this video gives you more information. If it does, like the video and subscribe to the channel. So the number one thing would be inconsistent high-end upgrades. For instance, if you have a home and you have completely renovated the kitchen, but you've left the rest of the home outdated, it's gonna create an inconsistent vibe through your home, and it's important that your house has a consistent vibe through the whole house. Buyers will still see a project that they have to complete if the kitchen's completely renovated and the bathrooms are left outdated. So recently I showed property, we went to a house, the first floor was completely updated, but when you went to the second floor, everything was still stuck in the 1970s. That's just one example of the inconsistent upgrades throughout a home. It's something that you do not get the full value out if you're not upgrading all the major rooms. Number 2 are ponds or high-end water features. These don't add value to your home. Buyers can actually think of them as extra maintenance or things that they're going to have to keep up when they're purchasing. And although they create a relaxing space and environment, not everybody loves the water features. So they do not add the value that you have to put into them. Number 3, we like to call these invisible improvements. And that is if you put in a new water heater or update your HVAC system, increase your insulation in the house. These are things that a buyer already expects to be in working order. So if you've just updated your HVAC, it doesn't really add value to the buyer because they're expecting the home to already have a working system. They're expecting the home to already be insulated. So if you're like, oh, we beefed up our insulation, it's not gonna add value for the buyer. Number 4, combining rooms. So if you're going from 4 bedrooms to 3, or if you're going from 3 bedrooms to 2, people just don't see the value in it. They would rather have more bedrooms, and so by eliminating a bedroom, you're actually reducing your buyer pool. So you won't get that money back that you've spent combining those bedrooms. Number 5 is over improving for your neighborhood. You wanna know what the average price per square foot is in the area that you're in, and you also want to know what the market conditions are. You don't want to make a huge improvement that will price you out of what homes are actually selling for in your neighborhood or in your area. So don't leave your home values up to chance. If you're still unsure about what improvements you're going to make, feel free to reach out about any market data or statistics in your area. I'm happy to help.